So these are the speakers guys which we just got delivered with Boodmo. So the packing is pretty good. They have wrapped it nicely. So let's quickly unbox and see. So it is pretty latest one, only manufactured in April 2021. So this is the cone of the speaker, you can see. So here we are getting it with the spacer also, you can see this one. This is actually the spacer. As you all know guys, XM Plus variant comes with only socket output for speaker in the rear doors. So in order to connect our tweeters, we need to make a coupler, or else we need to solder it here. I'll show you. We need to solder it here to the two terminals. So what we have done is we have tried for coupler in the outside electronic shop. So we got one clip which actually fits in this tweeter. So we can connect it like this here, and thereafter these wires we need to take supply from the speaker from the rear door as well. So this is the coupler we got from the electronic shop guys. One end of the coupler goes into the tweeter like this. The second end needs to be connected to the main speaker in the door. Like it means you need to take input from the speaker of the rear door. So after connecting, it actually looks like this, you can see. For speakers, same type of clip will be provided by the manufacturer itself. Like Tata Motors have provided directly this clip in the rear door. So for main speaker, we can directly connect it. Some of you might have known that we have installed JBL speakers in our XM Plus already, but unfortunately it turned out to be the first copy, the duplicate ones. So I'll quickly show you how we sorted out its duplicate. Right now you can see the batch number here, 25407. Actually it needs to be unique for every single speaker. It needs to be stamped. If you can search online for original warranty card of JBL, then you will sort out. And then see, info service at the rate autosonics.in. Instead of autosonics, these guys have printed SSNix. And again the Harman support ID. See, India support harman.com is the original ID, and then the fake ones they have included ID here, Indian support ID harman.com. And now coming to the address, see, it should be Marathalli Ring Road, Bangalore. Instead they have printed Marahalli, Bangalore, and the same pin code and the customer care number. So be aware guys, while buying JBL speaker, be careful. Just check for these things. Check for the warranty card before you get it installed in your phone. Coming to the MRP, these speakers costed almost like 1200 each, guys. You can see here the product number, which is ending with 9910, and thereafter the MRP and the packed month. So it is packed in August 2021. So pretty new speakers we have got. So these are the seller details from which it got shipped through Boodmo.